Yeah, getting high on the highway. Yeah, every day. We getting high on the highway. Every day's a high day. Yeah, I roll another up, call it double dutch. You would think that I would have a crush on this ooey gooey green stuff. I love it so much that I can't get enough. Every day I wake up, I need another puff. Puff, puff, pass it, you know how we do. Gotta keep it real smooth, let the vibes pass from me to you. Can you comprehend what I'm putting through? Are the words I say really the truth? I got a question for the man in the mirror. Is this the truth? Are we still dreaming? Are these words still appealing? Can I get my word across ideally? As the clouds give way to a new world where there's only sunshine and no rain. Is this reality or am I still in my brain? I don't know, man, but we gotta keep on moving till we can't get back. Cause I got some things that I wanna say, and you gotta get the fuck out of my way before I run you over like a bulldozer.
Or maybe like a train or a semi-truck. I don't really give a fuck, rolling up the light green stuff. I take it to the face like puff, puff, puff. Pass, that's how we did your bitch last night. She came through and you know she got the pipe. Got a blunt full of jet fuel, about to take flight with my homeboys, and you know it's about to be a good night. Say it, ha, roll up with my homeboys, know we about to smoke some. And I could give a fuck about tomorrow, cause I'm living life for today, ain't got no time to borrow.
Whoa, whoa, yeah, we coming on a lake, we got floating on a cloud. And I'm done doing what you want, but I got that loud. And I'm gonna break it up, make it real good. Everybody's gonna smell it all through the neighborhood. And then I'm gonna make it big. Everyone's gonna know my name by the end of this. Yeah, getting high on the highway. Yeah, you know every day for me's a high day. Breaking it up, then I fly away through the space, to the clouds, and you'll never see my face again. Falsetto like no fellow, it's so mellow. Do you wanna know where I am? Do you really wanna find out if you'll ever get your head above the clouds? It's a far road, but I know that you gotta meet me through my soul. Yeah, that's where we reside, where the whole place cries. And I'm making up words right now, cause I gotta make a sick freestyle. And I'm blurring on the beat, and you gotta know me when you see me on the street, cause I'm free. Yeah, yeah.